म्यूट लेके देखो. Okay, so now you can see the screen. So we shall start with the lesson again. Children at Work is a story that revolves around a young 11-year-old boy named Velu. He ran away from home as his father was a drunkard who used to snatch away all his money and beat him regularly. Fed up with his father's abusive behavior, he left home and roamed around in his town until he boarded the Kanyakumari Express. He boarded the train without any ticket as he had no money with him. Luckily, the ticket collector didn't check on him for traveling in the train without a ticket. Yes, now can you see the screen? So in the screen you can see Velu. Okay, Velu, he used to work whole day and he used to bring money, and what his father used to do, he used to drink and he used to abuse him, he used to beat him, he used to scold him, he used to take all his money. Okay, now what happened to Velu? Soon he reached Chennai Central Station. So as he had boarded the Kanyakumari Express, okay, he reached where? Chennai. Okay, so he reached Chennai Central Station, the main station, that is Central Station. He reached Chennai. Velu was surprised to see so many people in the railway station, as he was actually staying in a small village. Okay, when he came to Chennai, what he saw, he was very surprised. Why was he surprised? Because he had not seen many people. Now here he saw many people in the railway station who were in a hurry. So all the people, as you know, as you have seen, okay, either some are boarding the train, okay, so all are in a hurry, or some are leaving back to the home, all in a hurry. So this is what he saw. When he got down from the train, he was amazed to hear the announcements that were made in the loudspeaker. So this was for him everything new, you know. He was from a village. He had never seen all these things. Okay, this boy. And when he came to Chennai Central Station, he saw all this. He was very amazed to see this all things. He saw the announcements that were made in the loudspeaker. Then he traveled in an unreserved coach where people were screaming and playing cards. So when he came from in the from the in the train, he heard the people were screaming and playing cards. He was unable to sleep and was feeling weak due to hungry. Now he had not eaten, he was unable to sleep, so he was feeling very weak. He was also feeling lonely in the midst of strangers. Now, as he had come to Chennai, there was nobody to talk. He was a stranger. Okay, so he sat on a bench. He literally felt lost in the midst of a huge crowd. So you can see the screen. Okay, here Velu is come. This 11-year-old boy has ran away from his village and he has come to Chennai, okay, by train. Then, when he got down the train in at Central Chennai station, Velu was amazed to see the busy crowd. Feeling exhausted and hungry, he traveled all alone. Okay, he didn't have food, he was feeling very exhausted and he was feeling hungry. Velu sat on a bench with his little bundle of belongings. So, what he did at the railway station, he was a stranger, there was nobody, and what he did, he just had one small bag, okay, that was a bundle of things that he had brought, and he sat on a bench. Now let's move front. Suddenly, a little girl named Jaya approached him and talked to him. So suddenly, when he was sitting, a girl, small girl, okay, she also was, she came and she talked to him. She was a rag picker. Now what is a rag picker? As you all have seen, okay, uh, just close by to your house they come and pick all the plastics, okay, bottles, those are known as rag pickers. So this girl Jaya was also a rag picker, okay, who was dressed shabbily. Now this girl, as you know, you have also seen rag pickers. They are not well to do, they are very poor. They dress shabbily, okay, and their work itself is to pick all the unwanted things. So their full dresses will be always dirty only. So this girl was dressed shabbily. She was initially hesitant to he was initially hesitant to talk to her. Now, as he was a stranger, okay, in Chennai, he didn't talk to her, he was very frightened. But this girl came and she talked to him. So initially he was hesitant to talk to her, but when she told him that she could arrange some food for him to eat, he went along with her helplessly. Now this girl, she saw at him and she said that I'll give you food, you come with me. So there was no any option for Velu, okay, because he was already feeling weak, he was very hungry, he was a stranger, nobody talked to him. This girl came and asked, okay, want to help him. So he walks along with her because he is helpless, okay, he went along with her. Besides, he helped she helped him cross the busy street jammed with big vehicles, as Velu was afraid to see so many vehicles on the street all at once. Now he was so frightened even to cross the road, because in the village there were no vehicles, nothing. Okay, they could easily roam here and there, but here in the city it was very difficult for him even to cross the road. She helped him cross the busy streets, okay, jammed with heavy vehicles or with big vehicles. So was his he was so helpless because he had come from a village. So this girl helped him even to cross the road, okay, as Velu was afraid to see so many vehicles on the street all at once. Jaya also warned him to never be caught by the police. So as this girl is trying to help this boy, okay, she knows that he's all alone, because she must have seen so many children coming, okay, on the railway station. They're all alone, they're crying, they are helpless. So she must have helped so many people, so many children. So she has suddenly come to notice this child, and she is helping him. She's also warning him that never be caught by the police, okay, when they passed by the central jail. So she is telling that you should never be caught, okay, when you pass by the central jail. So you can see on the screen again the same what I taught you. The little girl named Jaya called out from behind him, okay, inquiring whether he was new to the town. She inquired. She was picking up the dirty plastic cups from the floors. So she was also a rag picker and stuffing them into a large sack, and she carried on her shoulder. Okay, now see, on the central railway station, she is having a conversation with Velu. Then she realizes that he is hungry, and she offered him some food. She offered to help him find some food. Not knowing where to go, Velu followed Jaya out of the station. Okay, they went, and here what he saw so many vehicles. He couldn't cross the road where Jaya helped him. When he went on a bridge, he saw a huge bridge, towers, and a number of roads. This is all what he saw. So everything was new to Velu. In search of food, they finally arrived at a marriage hall. So when they were searching for food, Jaya also was a rag picker. She was not carrying food with her, so they had to search for food. So in search of food, they finally arrived at a marriage hall. See, they arrived at a marriage hall. Jaya went towards the garbage bin and picked two bananas and the vada thrown in the pile. See here what happens. These children, they do not get food, so what they do, they, as they rag pickers, they go in the garbage and search for food. So what Jaya did, in search of food, they finally arrived at a marriage hall. So you know where their marriages and all, they throw the food and all. Okay, so there she knows that they will get food. Jaya went towards the garbage bin and picked two bananas and a vada thrown in a pile. So this was what she got in the garbage. What she got? Two bananas and a vada. You know, vada pav, you have eaten that vada she got. Okay, that was thrown in a pile. She offered it to Velu to eat. So she gave Velu to eat that, but he was hesitant to consume food that was thrown in the garbage bin. Now Velu had never eaten such a food that is thrown in the garbage, okay, in his village. So he was very hesitant, he didn't want to eat such a food. Okay, but nonetheless he was too hungry and he left with no other option. Now what he can do, he was very 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 hungry, there was no option, there was no other things that he can eat. So he had to eat that food from the garbage bin which Jaya had brought. Okay, but to eat a banana and a vada, Jaya just ate a banana and day after she took him to her house. So now what happened? Jaya just ate one banana and she gave the one banana and vada to Velu. Okay? No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sunita ma'am is taking grammar. Okay, ma'am, I will take. That's what I thought. Every line that there are some, devices, literary devices that should be taught.